Bitcoin is right now getting very strong resistance from of this very important resistance level. Alongside with the fact we are currently breaking down below of this very small symmetrical triangle that I actually wanted to talk about just a little bit earlier, but I just woke up, so I'm sorry guys, but we are breaking down below and we still do have a very important CME gap to fill down below us. With volatility still imminent, we barely got any volatility in towards the market right now, and the Bollinger Bands are still squeezing in the Bitcoin price, so still a very big move is imminent. We are still creating this bull flag for Bitcoin. We have broken out this falling wedge pattern towards the upside, but the real question right now is, are we going to be holding this support, or are we going to be once again flipping it in towards resistance and once again break bearish? Well, what we want to be having a look in towards is this CME gap, because this will be very important. Usually we do tend to fill these CME gaps, and right now we are already very close to be filling our CME gap, which will be all the way down towards the 27.1k level. And if we have a look in towards the current price action, well, we are currently trading at about the 27.2k level, so it will only be about $100 to be filling the CME gap exactly. Okay, and whenever we are actually going to be filling our CME gap, well, we got one less bearish signal to worry about, and then if we can be seeing some kind of support coming in from this very important support level that we just discussed, if we can be seeing some kind of a bounce, that would be very bullish for the Bitcoin price. Okay, so that would be one scenario. Of course, the other scenario would also be if we are going to be filling our CME gap, that we are actually also going to be falling down below this very important support level. All right, and if we are going to be falling down below, well, still, if we do have a look in towards the Bitcoin price, well, you might argue that we have been creating another lower high. Okay, and this is still very bearish for the Bitcoin price. This would still actually mean we are in this larger term downtrend. Yes, of course, it was looking very much like we broke our downtrend right here already, but indeed, well, this lower high is still lower than this high right here over here. Okay, so that is very important to keep in mind. We can still be creating this lower high, and if we are going to be getting this rejection, well, it is not looking very good if we are going to be also losing this very important support level. Okay, so keep that in mind. If we are going to be losing this support, well, I do think we are going to be seeing way lower prices once again. And in that scenario, well, this falling wedge pattern will be invalidated. This bull flag scenario will still be very valid. We still did not get any breakout just yet. Okay, so that is looking very good, because this bull flag scenario will still be valid, because of course no breakouts have been happening just yet, as well as the fact we might be getting squeezed just a little bit more time in towards our Bollinger Bands, and this might be causing an even bigger move down the line. Okay, because the longer we will be getting squeezed with lower amount of volatility in towards this Bollinger Bands, the bigger the move will eventually be. Okay, so very important price action right now happening in a very short term of Bitcoin price. Now, the one thing that I'm still having a look into, and which will be one of my most decisive signals right now in the Bitcoin charts, is of course a break of this resistance. This will be indicating a lot more price action towards the upside that will be coming, because of course at the same time of breaking that one out towards the upside, we will also be breaking out this bull flag towards the upside. And whenever we are going to be breaking this bull flag towards the upside, much higher prices are about to come. And alongside with this fact, you might even looking towards this as a cup and handle pattern towards the upside that we are right now creating. So a break of this one towards the upside is going to be indicating for me that I am going to be once again opening my long positions. Okay, and this break towards the downside of this very important support level that we just discussed, well, that will be indicating for me that I want to be rather shorting the market. Okay, so let's see what will be happening from of this very important support level that we just discussed. Another very interesting fact that we can be having a look in towards is on the monthly time frame. We are about to flip our MACD indicator bullish, and this will be happening in about 19 hours of recording this video. Now, it is not guaranteed, of course, but it is looking very much like we are going to be flipping our MACD indicator in the green if we are going to be opening once again another monthly candle, which will be happening in about 19 hours. Okay, and in the past, you can be seeing this has all the time marked the bear market bottom. Right here, we got this bullish flip of this MACD indicator, and as you can be seeing, it stated the beginning of the next bull market. Right here as well, whenever we actually flipped, well, we started this new bull market as well. Okay, so right now, once again, this bullish flip is going to be suggesting the start of this new bull market. Yes, we might be getting some kind of a pullback still. Okay, we can still get these kind of pullbacks in towards a Bitcoin chart, but in the end of the day, the longer term trend will still be towards the upside. Okay, and that is the reason why I'm rather actually longing the Bitcoin market than actually shorting the Bitcoin market. Also, because we are having a lot more signals that we have been discussing many times on this Bitcoin channel. And guys, if you do want to be staying up to date about every single market development, be sure to be following me on Twitter. And guys, with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning. And guys, bye bye.